Good afternoon. So today, we are going to answer the last number in the past bar exam 2024 in criminal law. So the last question is this. AAA executed a sworn complaint, affidavit at the police station narrating how a certain Carson sexually abused her on September 11, 2024. Thus, Q. What is your name and age? Answer. I am AAA, 17 years old. Q. What is your complaint all about? Answer. On September 11, 2024, I was sexually abused by Carson, the live-in partner of my mother, in our house in Quezon City. Q. How did Carson abuse you? Answer. Carson entered my room, pointed a knife at my side, and threatened to kill me. Thereafter, Carson undressed me and inserted his penis into my vagina. Carson warned me not to tell anyone what happened and that he would take responsibility should I get pregnant. Based on these narrations, prepare the information charging the appropriate crime that Carson committed. Omit the caption and certification. Answer. People of the Philippines, plaintiff versus Carson accused. Criminal case number 12344, rape, Article 266-A, paragraph 1B of the Revised Penal Code. Information. The undersigned associate city prosecutor accuses Carson, a resident of Barangay XXX, Quezon City, Philippines, of the crime of rape of the Revised Penal Code as amended committed as follows. That on or about September 11, 2024, in the city of Quezon City and within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, the above named accused, who is a live-in partner of the mother of the complainant, did in there, willfully, unlawfully, and feloniously rape the person of AAA, a 17-year-old, by inserting his penis into the complainant's vagina, while a knife is at her side in threat to kill her. That the said victim suffered actual and moral damages in the amount as may be rewarded by the honorable court under the provisions of the new Civil Code of the Philippines. Contrary to law, Quezon City, Philippines, October 23, 2024. Attorney Crisanto B. Hermosilla, Associate City Prosecutor. Approved. Attorney Laulao A. Takigyam, Chief Office of the City Prosecutor. Bail recommended 25,000 pesos. Witnesses Pala Yutog, Barangay 69, Quezon City, Philippines. SPO2 Pacals Pipsi and SPO1 Boxer Manok, Quezon City, Quezon Police Station, Barangay 45, Quezon City, Philippines. So that's it. That's our answer for number 20 question. The last question in the past bar exam 2024 in criminal law. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Good day and God bless.